Caterpillar is pleased to introduce hand and foot style controls for the CAT D-Series skid steer, multi-terrain, and compact track loaders. CAT hand and foot controls were developed with input from a number of long-time and very proficient operators that utilize competitive hand and foot controls. Machines were routinely placed on customer job sites to test the control feel and performance in practical applications. Let's hear what customers have to say about the new CAT hand and foot controls.
My name is Steve Sharon, owner of Legacy Landscaping Incorporated. We do pre-construction grading, landscaping, design, and hardscapes. In the past, we've had joystick control machines that we've tried to use, and because of my operators, that it hasn't been convenient. We're on a time schedule as we're doing our jobs, so it doesn't always allow for training. So we're pretty happy with the Caterpillar machine.
I'm David with Privet Enterprises. The type of work we do is grading, clearing, hauling. First impression of the machine was a good impression. The machine is a little more sensitive than other machines that we've ran before in the past, but it was a smooth transition from what we had run prior to what we're currently running now, which is the Caterpillar equipment.
I think the controls are very well designed. I don't see from the items that we do now, I don't see a problem going from one machine to the other. I think it'll enable us to do our job and do it as well as we've ever done it without a lot of downtime as far as training.
We've got a lot of guys that are used to hand-foot controls. So prior to CAT coming up with this new machine, all they had was joystick. The CAT machines are great. We like them. We like the serviceability that CAT provides. The serviceability that CAT provides is well over and above what the competitors are able to provide in our area. We just needed something that we could make a transition with our operators. The traditional hand-foot control, you do have sticks, where this machine is more of a joystick kind of configuration. There is less stroke in the joystick versus the traditional stick machines. So I think there will be a less fatigue factor with the CAT equipment because there's less movement required by the operator.
It's important for my business to be able to have the option of the hand-foot controls on the Caterpillar machines because it gives us the option of having all the services available that Caterpillar offers, and we didn't have that option before because of the lack of controls. My operators are used to a certain thing, so to be able to jump seamlessly from a competitor's machine to this machine has big advantages to us.
I think CAT's done a good job with kind of adapting to where they can kind of transition operators from traditional stick lever and foot controls to what they've designed and come up with here.
Having the foot hand control machines available from CAT will definitely contribute to my decision-making process when we get ready to buy new equipment. It's given us an option that we never had before.
Contact your CAT dealer to learn how you can try one out today.